Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about R to R ladder digital to analog converter. DAC means digital to analog converter. So this is the circuit diagram for R to R ladder. This is the op amp, differentiator op amp, and this is the 2R RR. So this is circuit diagram we need to learn. And after this, and here we are having A1, A2, AN. This is the bit number and this is the bit position MSB and LSB, and this is the voltage. So here we are having minus and plus, so the voltage here is minus VR. For example, if you want to convert any digital number into analog converter, so if you want to convert this 0001 into analog, so here it is called as the MSB bit position and this is the LSB. So 0 MSB means here we have to mention 0, and next 0 means here A2, and LSB we are 1, so this is 1. So then after, where we are having 1, so in this branch we are having 1, so here this connection, this switch closed with minus VR, so here we get minus VR. The voltage here is minus VR, not earth, and here 0, so here we are having earthing and earthing, here we are having minus VR. For example, if you want to convert 110, this is the MSB, this is the LSB. So MSB bit position here is 1 and this A2 is 1 and LSB is 0. So wherever we are having 1, there we get minus VR as the branch voltage. So here in this branch we get minus VR, and here also we get minus VR. So as we are having here 0, so we get earthing for this example too. So I will explain you with one example with all three ones, triple one. As we are having triple ones, so here 1, here 1, here 1. When they are all are ones, so we have to get minus VR, minus VR, minus VR. And then we have to convert these triple one into one analog number. This is the circuit diagram for triple one. So minus VR, minus VR, minus VR. So to get final analog output, so up to here we need to minimize this circuit. So we have to minimize this circuit and we have to get only one resistance, that is input resistance, and only one voltage, that is input voltage. So for that we need to minimize this box. First of all, we need to minimize this circuit up to here. So to find voltage here, so we need to find voltage here. VTH is equals to that branch voltage. So this branch voltage is minus VR into that branch resistance 2R into 2R by sum of the resistance 2R plus 2R. We get minus VR into 2R by 4R. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So VTH is equals to minus VR by 2. Then after we need to find RTH. So RTH means, so these two are in parallel. We have to assume this 2R and 2R in parallel. So 2R in 2R, same values in parallel, then we have to apply 2R by 2. So 2 cancel, we get R. RTH value is R. So in next step we have to draw this same, but here we have to replace one resistance, that is R, with voltage minus VR by 2. This is the next circuit diagram. So observe here. So R, 2R, R, 2R, 2R. So I drawn same R, 2R, R, 2R, 2R, 3R. So up to here same. So here we have to mention VTH and RTH. VTH minus VR by 2. minus VR by 2 and RTH R. And again this R and R in series, we get 2R. So here we get 2R. Here we get 2R. R plus R 2R and minus VR by 2 and VR 2R minus VR and R 2R minus VR 2R 3R is the circuit diagram now. So now we have to minimize up to here. That means we need to find the voltage here. Assume here voltage is X. So we need to find that voltage. So to find that voltage, formula is X minus V. X minus V by R is equals to 0. So here we are having two branches, two voltage values. So X minus V1 by R1 plus X2 minus X minus V2 by R2 is equals to 0. So here X means X and V1 means the first voltage minus VR by 2 and R1 means this combinedly from here to here, R plus R2R, this is the R1. And next X minus V2. V2 means this minus VR and R2 means this 2R. So we are minimizing up to here. Up to here and we have to substitute here. So this is the equation. So X minus V, X minus of minus VR by 2, we get X plus VR by 2 and R1 means 2R plus X minus of V2, X minus of minus VR, X minus of minus means plus and VR by 2R is equals to 0 and we have to solve this. So X 2X plus VR by 2, 2X plus VR by 2 by 2R plus X plus VR by 2R is equals to 0. So this is the next step. 2 into X 2X plus VR by 2, 2X plus VR by 2 and denominator 2R plus X plus VR by 2R, this is same. And here 2 into 2R 4R. So 2X plus VR by 4R. This is the next step. 2X plus VR by 4R plus X plus VR. That means VR plus X by 2R is equals to 0. And here we are having 4R and 2R. So we have to solve by taking 4 as denominator. So this is the next step. 2X plus VR plus 2VR plus 2X by 4R is equals to 0. So 4R into 0, 0. So next step we get, so next step is this 2X plus VR plus 2VR plus 2X is equals to 0. So 2X plus 2X, 4X plus VR plus 2VR, 3VR is equal to 0. So from this X is equals to minus 3 by 4 VR. So this is the VTH. This is the VTH. Now we have to find RTH. This 2R and this 2 are in parallel. 2R by 2 we get R. Here VTH is equals to minus 3 by 4 VR and RTH is equals to R. So in place of this we have to keep one voltage source and one resistance and remaining these are same. So this is the next circuit. So again we have to resolve. So minimize this circuit. We have to minimize here. That means we need to find here voltage. Consider this as X. As in previous, so we have to follow the previous steps to find X value. X minus this voltage minus of minus 3 by 4 VR is equals to X plus 3 by 4 VR and then by resistance. So 2R we get 2R here, R plus R 2R. So X plus 3 by 4 VR by 2R and here X plus VR by 2R is equals to 0. So this is the equation. X plus 3 by 4 VR by 2R plus X plus VR by 2R is equals to 0. So we have to simplify the equation. So like this we get X is equals to minus 7 by 8 VR. So this is the procedure as we did in earlier only. So we have to get minus 7 by 8 VR, and this is called as the VTH. So this is the VTH is equals to minus 7 by 8 VR, minus 7 by 8 VR, and RTH we need to find. So here this 2R and this 2 are in parallel. So RTH is equals to 2R by 2, we get R. RTH is equals to R. So the final circuit is, here we get from here. So we have to remove this, and here we get one resistance, that is R, and here minus 7 by 8 VR, and here 2R. This 2R is this, and this one, this minimized circuit is R and minus 7 by 8, and here we are having differentiator, minus plus. Here feedback resistance is 3R. This is V0. So this is the final circuit. So this is the input voltage Vin. This is the Vin, and this is the Rin. R and 2 are in series. So here we get 3R. So R and R, 3R. And this is feedback resistance 3R. So feedback resistance RF is equals to 3R. R input resistance is also 3R. And input voltage Vin is equals to minus 7 by 8 VR. And output equation for differentiator is V0 is equals to minus RF by Rin into Vin. So this is the output equation. So in this we have to substitute. V0 is equals to minus RF means minus 3R. RF value is 3R. So minus 3R by Rin value also 3R. So 3R into Vin, minus 7 by 8 VR. Minus 7 by 8 VR. This 3R cancelled out, and minus into minus plus. So the output voltage is 7 by 8 VR. So this is the output voltage. That means analog output. So digital number is 111. This is digital input. The analog output is 7 by 8 VR. So this is the solvation of R2R ladder for this digital input.